After unzipping, you will receive a folder called Bread. Inside, you will see a lot of files that will be used in Tube Studio. Right-click and copy the folder. Now open the Vtuber Studio. Double-click to open the toolbar. Select this icon and click Import your own model. Click Open Folder. Paste the folder name Bread that we copied earlier. Click OK. Click this icon again. Now, you will see a Vtuber model named Bread appear in the options. Don't be worried about these things around a model. It's a custom part, and we will fix it. Click the pink icon on the left. Look at the top left of the screen and click the fourth icon on the far right. What you see on the right side of the screen is a preset expression of this character, specifically an ear part. First, we have an expression named ear circle on, off. Set a key on number 1. Second, we have an expression named ear triangle on, off. Set a key on number 2. Third is an expression named ear oval, key on number 3. Fourth is an expression named ear side, key on number 4. Fifth is an expression named all or off, key on number 5. The last preset is an expression named ear circle Eichmann effect. Set a key on number 6. If you want to change a key for the expression, go to the section named Key Combination and click on Key 1. You can choose any key to your liking from this list. Now I will show you how to create your own expression. In addition to the presets I have made for this model, click on the Expression Editor. Click on Create New Expression. These are all the options you can play around with. However, this time I will be focusing on ear parts and effects. You can move a bar to customize how you want your avatar to appear. When you are done with customizing, it's time to give a name to this expression. When you are done, please click Save. Now click on Create New Hotkeys. Click on the pen icon. If you want to edit the name of this expression, now set a hotkey. Click on the hotkey you have set for this expression, and you're done. And that concludes the tutorial. If you encounter any issues with the model, feel free to message me. If you're interested in this buff bread, please visit my Etsy shop link in the description. Thank you again. Bye-bye.